Okay, I'm here at the field with my BTS Bumblebee Extra 300, and it got transformed into a more ATV Extra 300, capable of handling the grass field better so that the gears don't collapse backwards. The issue with the setup is that the top of the gear struts inserts into a plastic sleeve, and the top of the plastic sleeve ends about halfway up. And so there's nothing at the top preventing the top from moving forward and overextending, like when you come to land or take off. So to remedy that, I actually have a wooden picture frame, a tripod that has the wooden bars, and one of the bars got cut down in size and epoxied down into the bottom of the fuse here. And it goes back, and the top is basically pressed against the top of the gear strut here so that it'll prevent it from moving forward. That's the reinforcement I did, and as you can see, I have spare gears. I took off the plastic off the spare gear and put 3-inch Dave Brown wheels on here. I also used the wheel collars as spacers as well on the other side. I fly off the 3600 Admiral pack 4S. And I get about 6 minutes. I have the timer set to 6 minutes, but I can probably get like 7.5 minutes before it hits actual low voltage. The tail wheel was also changed out just from one of my Warbirds, just a larger tail wheel, and everything else is cosmetic. And so the next video up, I guess, will be the first time up with a new gear setup.